This is Chuck, aka Charles Sterling for Guy in a Cube. In this webinar, I'm going to show you my favorite feature, which is Power BI themes and some tools to help you make better use of colors. The latest version of Power BI, you'll notice there's a brand new menu item on the home ribbon called Switch Theme. Before we take a look at that, let's go ahead and show you the current palette that I have available to you. So I'm going to select this tree view. I'm going to go to the formatting trough, and where it says data colors, expand that down and take a look at the colors. And these are the default colors that you've had for the last year and a half in Power BI. Nothing new there. But if I go to Switch Theme and choose Import Theme, I have got a couple that I've already created. One's called Blue. Let's go ahead and apply that one. As you would expect from the name, all the visuals have now changed to these blue hues. Had this been a text box rather than an image, I actually would have even changed this text into this blue hue. So what's in that magical JSON file? Let's go ahead and open that up and choose Edit. And you'll see there's a bunch of XML elements that define those colors that we're using. Looks a little bit scary. It's not. There are tools to help you actually create those files. So the first one is actually on powerbi.tips, run by a good friend of mine named Michael Carlo. And he's created this tool to help me go out and create my own themes. So let's call this one Chuck's Theme 1. Forgive the case, sorry about that. And I can go ahead and select this as my first data color. Let's say I want to have this red theme, and the data 2 might be a darker red or brick red, and then I've got these magentas and these pinks and etc. And you get the idea where I can go out and create a palette based on this graphical user interface. He's done a great job. Hats off to Michael. And I can go ahead and download that, and let's go ahead and open up that folder. Actually, let's go ahead and apply it. Let's go back into Power BI, and we're going to go out to Switch Theme, Import Theme, and that should be in my downloads, and there it is. Let's go ahead and do that, and you'll see I now have these red and pinks and magentas. Pretty cool stuff. Now, with Michael's tool, I can get off the rails. I can still choose some pretty horrific colors to mix together. So what I've done is actually I've taken a tool written by Peter out of Croatia, I think is where he lives, called Theme Master 500. The Theme Master 500 is named after my barbecue in Australia. And this one actually is going to constrain you to pick some colors, and then it's going to go ahead and pick colors that match around that. So if I chose this green, it's saying you actually should choose these other palettes of green or these other colors in that palette. I can even go out to these presets and say, I would like to use a pastel based on that first color that I chose. At this point, when I choose Apply, you'll see that I've got a Chuck Theme 3. Let's go out and see if we can find the Chuck Theme 3. Go back into Switch, Import Theme, and I should be able to actually now use that green theme that I just created. That looks pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Now it turns out if I don't want to create my own themes, there are actually a whole bunch that have already been created for you. So if you go to community.powerbi.com, go to the themes gallery, you'll see that there are tons of themes. I actually like the colorblind friendly one. That one's pretty cool. And over here, I think there was a Valentine one that I actually particularly liked. I'd love to know what tools you're using to actually manage your colors in Power BI. Please let me know at the bottom. If this is your first time you've actually seen these series, please subscribe. And if you like the video, give us a like. Big shout out to Patrick and Adam for letting me join Guy in the Cube. My name is Chuck. Thank you very much.